Alright guys, I put in all the names here on the list. I don't know why it was copying across instead of down. But for team number 1, Boston, 153110. Tampa Bay, spot number 2 is Scott W. Robinson. Okay, Philadelphia is LESBODIS. Washington, 153110. Dallas, Chev 1977. Vancouver is LESBODIS. Carolina is Fine Lynn. The Islanders, Chev 1977. Nashville, Fred 782. The Rangers is Petrus Lane 780. Buffalo, FINDY F9. San Jose, Y 717. Winnipeg is ARUNOB 80 Ryan. Detroit 153110. Phoenix YAGGS. Minnesota Dope Train 2010. Edmonton Dope Train 2010. Columbus 5549 Marshall. The Kings Lamam 27. Calgary is Home Team 5. Ottawa is J Dickey. New Jersey is LESBODIS. Montreal is Flora 8652. St. Louis Home Team 5. Chicago Petrus Lane 780. Colorado, my favorite team, is Sanria 4321. Toronto is Flora 8652. So Toronto, Florida 8652. Florida is Dope Train 2010. And Anaheim is LESBODIS. Guys, we're going to get going right to the box break. And I'm going to show you the number here as soon as I find it. Is really hard to read because of the plastic here. It's NE206676179. As you can see there, guys. Good luck to everybody. Hope you hit big. Oh, it doesn't want to open. Must be a really good box. Okay, guys. And here we go, guys. Good luck to everybody. First off, for the Nashville Predators, Felipe Forsberg, number 6 of 50. Felipe Forsberg. Really nice patch, guys. A lot of break in the color. Up next for the Vancouver Canucks, we have number 8 of 50. And it is Steven Pinzotto, number 8 of 50. Up next, we have a back-to-back that's going to have to be randomed. On the front, we have Quentin Howden from the Florida Panthers. And on the back, the Anaheim Mighty Ducks, we have Emerson Edom. And we'll do a random right away for that, guys. Next up, we have for the Philadelphia Phillies, Ty McGinn, number 76 of 299. Nice 3-color break, guys. Oh, up next, very nice card. We have number 2 of 10, which will be random between the Boston Bruins and the Dallas Stars. We have Dougie Hamilton and Jamie Oslick. So number 2 of 10, guys. We'll be doing a random for that one also. And last, we have 174 out of 299 for the Rangers, Henrik Lundqvist. Guys, we'll be back in 1 second. We'll set up the random, and we'll see who won those 2 cards.